Hey guys, Nick Drossos. So today we're going to be looking at how to use a kubotan. So this is a pretty cool one I got from Stylus. It's a kubotan, but an actual pen that writes pretty well. It's got a nice grip to it, nice feel, and fidget spinner. I'm kind of addicted to this thing, and every time I'm like playing around with it. So let's look at one thing I'm going to teach you guys when it comes to using a kubotan. It's how to conceal it and how to strike from it. So if I'm going to use it, first of all, it's got to be already out. Second of all, the way to conceal a kubotan that I like is this way. So it's underneath my arm, so the attacker can't see it, right? So can you see it, Costa, from here? No. So if I'm talking to him and it's ready, it's concealed, I'm creating some distance, I'm not letting it get close. At any point, I decide to strike him, the arm comes up and the kubotan goes right into the face. Now, again, the amount of force you use must parallel the amount of danger you're in. And, you know, when you're going to strike with it, don't get too technical, right? Doesn't matter. This thing is, you feel this, Costa? Yeah. So just imagine whacking in the face, in the eye, in the nose, whatever I hit, I'm going to go right through. Now, I always teach that once you do that initial strike, trap, and use a hammer-like motion to strike into the face. If the person clinches, here, use it. Look at this. You feel that, Costa? Yeah. So I'm not even putting a lot of pressure. If the person clinches, use it to scratch into the face, to go anywhere into the body. At the same time, what I like about it, you can still use it and strike as well as it fidget spins. So if you guys are interested in this kubotan as well as pen, really cool thing, I'll put it in the comment box, and we're giving a promotion away, so go check it out. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stand strong. Wow.